With the Giga Texas expansion, Tesla is poised to change the automotive industry as we know it. This is a revolutionary move that has the potential to bring about incredible changes. Could you guess any? Today's video unearths Giga Texas Expansion. 3 incredible things happening due to this expansion. Tesla's Giga Texas expansion is gaining a lot of buzz, and it's for a good reason. On July 22, 2020, Tesla filed a master development plan with the country of Travis, Texas. The proposed project, which is being called the Giga Texas Expansion, involves the development of a new manufacturing facility on approximately 2,500 acres of land, adjacent to Tesla's current vehicle production factory in Austin. The new facility would allow Tesla to increase its vehicle production capacity and expand its product offerings to include semi-trucks and Tesla's new cybertruck. Tesla has also indicated that the Giga Texas expansion would create over 5,000 new jobs in the Austin area. Here are 3 incredible things happening with the expansion. The establishment of a new factory. Establishing a new factory relies heavily on Tesla's Giga Texas expansion. An application for a permit was submitted on June 29 and approved on July 1st for a 500,000 square foot extension, which would boost the factory's size by more than 11%. When completed, the factory will not only be utilized to manufacture Tesla Cybertruck and Semi, but will also serve further to build Tesla's foothold in the United States. With this expansion, Tesla can keep up with the rising demand for its vehicles and will be able to offer more employment opportunities to local residents. Coming up is the number of jobs Tesla's Giga Texas expansion might create. Moving on, it looks that Tesla, in addition to extending its Austin-based General Assembly 2 into a new 2-story, 500,000 square foot structure, will expand the General Assembly 3. It's going to basically be an ecological paradise, Elon Musk had mentioned. Expansion approval does not list a price for Tesla's planned expansion, but the company's initial investment in the factory can provide a rough estimate. The creation of new job opportunities. Tesla Gigafactory Texas is adding new jobs in Austin as it expands to meet the increasing demand for Tesla vehicles. With the recent expansion, Tesla is looking to add even more jobs in the near future. This is good news for the local economy and for those looking for employment. They can breathe a sigh of relief with this development. If anything, new jobs are the obvious result of the new factory. Giga Texas is estimated to bring over 10,000 new jobs to the area. Perhaps that's why most people aren't surprised to learn that Tesla is looking to fill roles at its upcoming Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Tesla's public announcement of hiring may appear hasty to some, given the global chip scarcity and other supply chain issues, as well as the unknown surrounding the timing of the company's production ramp. While we await the Giga Texas expansion to become fully functional, get to know all the updates every step of the way by subscribing to this channel with post notifications turned on. Moving on, although Giga Texas expansion will create jobs, the new positions will be in production and assembly, mainly consisting of construction and engineering positions. The expansion will also create some new positions in the Tesla factory. Interestingly, CEO Elon Musk has already warned of a labor shortage and has been actively recruiting new residents to the Austin, Texas area since the middle of last year. Indeed, he advocated for an increase in housing in the regions bordering the enormous automobile and EV battery facility. The establishment of a new factory and increasing the workforce all work together to mass-produce goods. Will Tesla be advancing its product line? Find out in the upcoming minutes. The development of new products to its line. Producing electric vehicles, EV, is the future of the auto industry at this time. A battery-powered rechargeable car. What could be more exciting? The Giga Texas expansion will allow Tesla to mass-produce new products and enhance existing ones. The yearly output of autos at the Gigafactory Texas is anticipated to be 250,000, but with time, the Giga Texas expansion is expected to increase annual output to over 500,000 vehicles. Even though the facility has only been operational since this year, the fantastic news that Tesla has just produced their 10,000th Model Y at the plant was recently released. Moreover, despite initial design flaws, Tesla is finally ready to start producing Cybertrucks at its Texas Gigafactory. Recent developments also include Tesla receiving approval to begin building a massive battery energy storage system (BESS) project at Gigafactory Texas. The 53.27-acre plot of land designated for the project will house Tesla Megapacks, which will store excess energy produced by solar panels before feeding it into the electrical grid. Tesla has been an industry-disrupting force ever since the car maker's establishment in 2003. The company's all-electric vehicles have been praised for their sleek designs, impressive performance, and luxury features. Today, Tesla is one of the world's most well-known and respected car brands. The company is also making waves in the renewable energy industry with its solar home products and Powerwall battery systems. Get to know more about its massive Giga Berlin expansion by watching our video on the Giga Berlin update. More trees being cleared down for massive expansion. I hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.